Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. We'll be unboxing the Scourger Icecrown Epic Collection today. What we're looking for? We're looking for the Lich King. Everybody's looking for the Lich King. No, not everybody. Most of them are looking for the loot cards. The Woolly Rhino, I think, is the best loot card in the set. What does the Epic Collection contain? 6 booster packs of cards, 1 playmat, 1 deck box, 1 pack of dividers, 1 loot card. I think the loot card is always the paint bomb, like it's in the image. The playmat is this one with the Lich King and Bolvar fighting. 1 set guide and 5 foil hero cards. The set guide contains all the cards in the set, but let's do it. Let's not waste any more time and let's open it and see what is in. Ooh, this is nice. So, opened. So let's see. I'll put this aside. So this is the deck box with Bolvar and with the Lich King on the front. We'll not be opening this. This contains a divider. This is the playmat. Oh yeah, I know what you're thinking. I'm also thinking this. Let's just put this new playmat on with the Scourger. Good, this is good. Here are the packs. Here's the paint bomb, like I told you. So we have 3 with Bolvar, 3 with the Lich King. Oh, this is nice. This is the one. We're looking for this one. Yeah. And the dividers. So I think this one contains also the hero cards. God damn. Monkey fingers. Even plastic was better in yeah, I'll just open with this. Technical difficulties. So what do we have? The paint bomb, Edric the Pure, Tour of the Reason, General Icebane, Argent Crusader, Rimblad Earthshaker, and Sirin the Bone Carver, and Large Prismatic Shard. Okay, who do you think is going to win? Should we do 1-on-1 or 3 versus 3? Let's do 1-on-1. My god, even the art is beautiful on this. My god. Packed fingers. Yeah. Back to not being a monkey again. Okay, let's see what we have. So we have Bitter Cold, Buma, Vishala, Abnormal, Arctic Blast, Predatory Sense, Another Quest, Everfrost, Pierce, Wesley Shadows, Cynthia Masters. Rarity, you can tell the rarity by the color that is here. Bloody Slaughter, Uncommon, Rituals of Power, the Rituals of Power of Another Quest, Akiko the Alert, Prayer of Spirit, Eternal Shadow Materials, figurine prints. I think this is we have Siren, the Bone Carver again, the hero card. Oh, and we have an epic. Hammer of Ancient Kings, Valnar. This is nice. Uncommon, Desperate Commendation, Cold Bones, Flame Burst. So, not very good with the Lich King. Should I try it again? Maybe this time. God. Yeah, it's not really working. Isn't it, guys? It's no problem. We'll try until we can do it. That's my motto. Let's see if Ball Bar brings us luck. So we have Kaisha Shadowstalker, Kozik Skullcrusher, Steven, Army of the Damned. Ooh, it has the Lich King, but not the Lich King we are looking for. Okay, Freezing Arrow, the last line of defense with Sindragosa, the Rider of Frost, Cone of Cold. I think this is used. Torashu Stronghoof, Madea, Fell Fury, Ice Shrinker's Touch. Okay, we have the uncommon now. Conqueror Nari, Pavement of Blood, Arcane Dust. Okay, another hero card, and the epic is Super Simian Sphere. Nice. Mark of Life, Malefic Necromancer, and Sharp Eye. So, not the draws we're looking for, but come on, it's only been 2 packs. What do you think? Can we get anything? Ooh, another Lich King. Another try to open it without failure. I cannot really edit this too much as... okay. No. They're not opening like normal every pack, every try. I cannot even rip the packs. That's okay. Let's see what we have. Booma, this guy again, Winter's Icy, the last line of defense, Ice Sheer Mantle, Frost Ward, the Storm King Vengeance. This is nice looking card. Ryler of the Glade, Embrace of Nether, Wesley Shadow Form, Bestial Resurgence. Okay. Justicar, Conquerors, Edge, Frost Resistance Totem, Heavy Borean Leather, and I think after the hero card, Turok the Risen, Metamorphosis. That's a nice card. Stonespire Gargoyle, Conquering Shout, and Cryptid. Okay, and as I see it, you should put 3 from the back in front, and the last one will be the hit, if it's a hit. So, as I was saying before, I'm not gonna quit. I got, oh, so 1, 2, 3 from the back. Rune Strike, Ymir Chosen Warrior, Conquering Shout. I think this is the art for Hearthstone one. Lightborn, Winter's Ice Embrace, Predator Sense. Quest, A Hero's Burden. This is Kel'Thuzad. Arctic Blast, The last line of defense, I think we have this like 3 or 4 times. Poach. Vanora Moonshout. Yeah. Jasmine von Ludrow. Okay. Primal Taming. Okay. Fell Infernal. Okay. Quest Spirit Totem. Seal of Purity. My god, the art is beautiful. This Frozen Orb and no Overseer. The hero, after the hero card comes the and Storm Strike Mace. Yeah, you can feel my enthusiasm in my voice. So we are last two packs. Okay, let's change the order. Let's do another one of Bolvar. And let's see. So, same 1, 2, 3 from the back. We're going in front. Lava Burst, Malefic Necromancer, Flame Burst, Kuzvuz, Little Speed Threat, Loat, the Boom of Remulus, Demonic Accord, the Blood of Alexstrasza, another quest card, Command Decision. Oh my god, I love it when Prayer of Vitality, Torashu Stronghoof, Blood Plague, Rituals of Power, this one again, Prayer Spirit, yeah, a proper sting. That's a nice dragon. Large Prismatic Shard, Edric. Oh my god, the woolly rhino, but not the woolly rhino that we are hoping for. Yeah. Okay. Teaser. And the last Lich King pack. Okay, I think they're opening a little better now. Okay. Frost Resistance Aura, Jack Trip, Desperate Commendation, Cora, Lizzie, Hansi Wildcoat. This is nice druid, but I don't think it's a druid card. It's because this is like a priest desperately. The Rider of Frost, the Bloom of Remulus, Demonic Accord, Tree Watcher Crusher, Elemental Shield. Last chance from our Lich King pack. Frost with Bandage. Yeah, like Frost with, it was so hard, but this Frost with, I think it was in the classic expansion. I don't remember. Necessary Sacrifice. My god, instant ability. Discard. Okay, Warlock and Priest. Mark of Undead. This is the art of this is on the Hearthstone game. I remember the card now. With a 3/1, 3 attack, 1 life. Prayer of Spirit, Eternal Fire, Tame Wolfgang of the Mighty, and I'm closing my eyes. No, Ajora Nak, Death Watcher. So these are the epic cards that we got. Ajora Nak, the Woolly Rhino, but my god. Storm Strike Mace, Metamorphosis. This is a nice looking card. Super Simian Sphere, and the Hammer of Ancient Kings. Thank you for watching, guys. If you'd like to see more content of this type, keep in mind this was my first video. Be gentle. Maybe leave a like and leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.